145 Edward St Brunswick. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom villa unit with a car space which is here, and where we are positioned is in between Sydney Road and Logan Street. Some might say it's the best part because it's the Brunswick east side of Logan Street, so you've got Grady, so many other restaurants etc. just down the road. So come through the front door, here's your main living area, so it's nice and spacious. This is an older style unit, it does make up for it with location and the size. So he's connected to NBN, so there's a modem there. Here's the kitchen, plenty of storage, linen cupboard here, little hallway here. So 1 bedroom, so it's quite spacious. Also got your built-in rooms. Over here, 2nd bedroom. Does have the double blinds as well. Toilet and bathroom with laundry facilities and a shower over bath. There is also heating just been installed next week, so we've got a new heater coming in. And down here's a little courtyard, so I'll just sit down here, chill out, plus close on. Again, here's another look of the property.